our channel Science and Knowledge. So according to the latest news, Galaxy S25 Ultra smartphones and VR headset share design elements and characteristics. According to the news, Samsung, Google and Qualcomm are working together on the next VR experience. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The Vision Pro, Apple's first mixed reality XR headset, hasn't reshaped the market how many thought it would. And soon, it will be Samsung's turn to have another try at the virtual and augmented reality market. What do you think? Will it succeed or not? There is no way to tell how things will go for Samsung and its two major partners, Qualcomm and Google. It's hard to predict how the XR market will evolve or change, and which manufacturer will finally manage to bring its technology truly into the mainstream. Nevertheless, Samsung, Qualcomm and Google said they are working together on the next XR experience. According to tipster Ice Universe, the tentatively named Galaxy XR has something is common with the upcoming Galaxy S25 flagship smartphone. According to the news, Galaxy XR and Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a common DNA. Some of the design and features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra take into account the Galaxy XR. It's unclear what this means exactly, and it would be easy to assume that the source hinted at a Gear VR kind of experience where the smartphone powers the headset. However, every leak and rumor so far says otherwise. The Galaxy XR should be a standalone device with its own processing hardware and power source, as well as a 3500 ppi OLED screen developed by Samsung Display, or at least a micro OLED from Sony. If we were to guess, it's more likely that the source says the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy XR may have overlapping design languages. As an older rumor has it, the Galaxy S25 lineup could look more different from the Galaxy S24 and S23 lineups, as Samsung might be ready to transition to a new design language. Of course, this makes it harder to predict what kind of design Samsung's XR headset might adopt. Furthermore, these different devices, a phone and XR headset, could share some clever features like Samsung Continuity and Galaxy AI. It is expected that the new Galaxy S25 line will officially launch early next year. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.